See, this is very unfortunate. I'll start from where you said only, because voting, one person, one vote is the basis of any democracy. And very clearly, Rahul Gandhi ji presented the situation, the vote chori, which has happened in Karnataka, my state. I'm from Karnataka state MP. So what has happened in Mahadevpura, he's very clearly explained with the clear data, vote chori, in what all ways it can happen. So this has happened across India, and we could study only one constituency because we were given only hard copies. We were not given the soft copy, the digital copy of the voters list. So now when the voting itself is not happening properly, the elected representatives and even the voters are being deleted in SIR, which is happening in Bihar. So our main mudda was allow a discussion on SIR. Since day one we have been asking, and more than 20 days of working days हुआ, तो एक दिन भी SIR के बारे में डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ. लेकिन सडनली होम मिनिस्टर जो 3 बिल है वो इंट्रोड्यूस कर देते हैं, which is not even there in our agenda. Suddenly it was passed, wherein the Prime Minister, Chief Minister and any minister who has been in jail for 1 month or so, he will be exempted from his position. So very easily, wherever the opposition is ruling, the CM can be put up in any case. He can be sent to jail, which has happened even in Delhi, we have seen. It's happened in Haryana. Even in Karnataka, it has happened. There's ED and IT raids and all happening. So how is the government taking, this is the main objection even all our leaders have expressed. Like you just take any minister or a CM, and without even until and unless proven by the court, he is not guilty. So how can a legislation take control over the judiciary? That is our question.